This is Karen Stafford with Dr. Stafford's Musical Cures. Today I'm going to show you how to demonstrate doing a chord Bordun with body percussion before you transfer to instruments. For those of you who aren't sure of what a Bordun is, it's basically an open fifth pattern that's the basis for a lot of the bass tones in an Orff instrumentation. A chord Bordun is 2 notes, an open fifth. And in this case, the activity that I'm using, Snail Creative Trail, uses a G and a D in a quarter note, quarter rest pattern. This is aimed for first graders. And if we understand anything about first graders, they're going to have trouble with the beat. So the body percussion needs to be such that it's very precise, very tactile, so that they can keep the beat. The big thing about the rest is you don't want to rush it. A lot of times we will use the open hand gesture, but after I started taking Kodai levels, I noted that a shoulder gesture is much better because they touch themselves. There's something there to help them feel where that beat is. So in order to teach a chord Bordun, first of all, you're going to use both hands because that's the idea of using both mallets. And you would just go gentle tap, teach them body percussion musically so that they transfer to the instrument musically. Like this. Have them sing the song while they do it. And I use a comfortable starting pitch of B because Do is going to be G. This is A, this is B, so let's sing the song. Snail, 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 snail. I'm sorry, let me try that again. Allergies. Snail, 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 goes around and round and round. Snail, 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 goes around and round and round. The next part that's in Snail Creative Trail is what we call color. It's just a nice little light sound that just adds a bit of interest. And in this case, we're going to be using a triangle on the word round at the end. Another thing that you need to do when you're teaching these instruments is have the kids notice what words the instrument sounds fall on. And in this case, this is going to be the last round. It's a high sound, so have them snap up here. And if they can't snap, have them do this. Something again that they can feel very concretely. Snail, 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 goes around and round and round. Gentle touch, so they will transfer a gentle touch to the instruments. And that is a way that you can introduce chord Bordun and color to first graders before you transfer to instruments. Talk to you soon.